Today's video is brought to you by Oxido LED lighting. You might think that you can see just fine at night. Well, I did too, until I did this little upgrade. As you can see from this footage, here is some before Oxido LED lighting, and here is some after Oxido LED lighting. The difference is amazing. With high brightness and easy installation, Oxido LED lighting is definitely the route for you. They're easy to install, and they're available for all makes and models. Click on the link in the description below and enter promo code 612motorsports at checkout to get yourself 15% off. Now back to our video.
I got thumbs up from the officiating crew. You're going to help me count down from 5. Let's get this thing rocking and rolling once again. Here we go. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. be number 7, who just lays it on him, keeps laying it on. This is a boxing match with cars, folks. Give a right, give a left, uppercut. He's dragging all kinds of stuff here. All look like they may be down already. Rocky may be the last one standing, folks. Oh, as he lays it on once again, the number 88 Jeremy Cottrell car. I think that'll just about do it. We gotta wait for our official call. We're gonna review the action here tonight to make sure that's happening. Yes. That's time to change the color. Number 7 is once again. Gerald, your favorite driver here tonight is 2 or left standing. We'll see if we get another one back into the action. I don't think so, but we will see. He's going to be the last man standing. There's been no official call yet, so Froggy lays another one on Jeremy Cottrell. Welcome to the big show. It's only the first heat, folks. Only the first heat, the bone stock class. We got so much more action here tonight. When do you see those semi-stock and large cars? We gotta wait for the air horn and the red flag will call this. Yeah, give it all you got for your drivers here tonight. Congratulations and thank you for a show here tonight, drivers. Jeremy Cottrell, Leonard Carson, Jonathan Batten, and Daniel Valencia, Matthew Holy, Bigfoot Taylor, Charlie Miller, David Nolan, all you guys. Thank you so much for putting on the show here tonight. Good old-fashioned competition and camaraderie as these drivers all know each other. They come from all over the state and compete against one another. We're going to find out who our top 3 drivers are here in just a bit as we review the official video.